Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by activating the essentials. Turn on your phone's mobile hotspot and give it a clear SSID and a strong password so the TV can find it. Make sure mobile data is enabled because the hotspot shares that connection. On the TV, open network settings and set Wi-Fi to scan for networks. This is necessary so the TV can detect the hotspot. Once done, keep both devices within close range because signal strength matters for discovery and stable streaming. Now you locate your phone's SSID in the TV's Wi-Fi list and select it. Then type the password exactly because one wrong character prevents connection. If your phone offers 4 GHz and 5 GHz, choose 4 for better compatibility with older TVs. Make sure any VPN, data saver, or firewall on the phone is off because these can block the TV's traffic. After you connect, verify the TV shows an IP address. This confirms the network handshake succeeded and routing can begin. To finish, open a streaming app or start screen mirroring to confirm the TV can reach the internet through your phone. If the TV fails to get an IP or stalls, restart the phone's hotspot and the TV. This clears temporary network states. If problems persist, toggle airplane mode on the phone, then re-enable mobile data and hotspot. This refreshes the cellular link. One key tip: if streaming buffers a lot, check your mobile data speed and move closer to the phone to improve signal quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.